Catch me in the sky cause I'm worldwide. From South Oak Cliff to the heights. I'm on that plane that flew by. They're looking for me now that I'm worldwide. From northern Spain I flew by. Trying to elevate to new heights. Cruising the sea on a cruise line. Across continents I just flew by. They're looking at me now that I'm worldwide.
Guys, we are in El Jardín de Eucaliptus. We are in the garden of eucalyptus. So the reason they call it that is because right here they have about 3 different eucalyptus trees, and they're huge, they're beautiful, and it smells good too. This is one of the leaves. It's been on the ground, but they're right there, right behind me, and they actually smell just like eucalyptus, really good. So no wonder this area right here is very refreshing, and you can breathe in that good marijuana. And Catalea loves the tree so much. Before we knew it was actually eucalyptus, she was climbing on the tree telling me, "Mommy, I'm a monkey, I'm a monkey." And she was just climbing on the tree. But this right here is so peaceful, so serene. And like right behind me, it's like the mountains, but the mountains are like pretty much desert. There's no trees or anything there, but it's still beautiful. The scenery is beautiful, the ambiance is amazing, and yeah, so whenever you're in Peru, make sure to come here to Decameron.
Located about 35 minutes from Lima, El Decameron El Pueblo is a hidden all-inclusive resort for the entire family. On our first day, we explored the zoo park on the resort.
The black turtle, y'all, he's chilling. He's stuck between a rock and a hard place.
I'm sorry.
He's like, if I stand still, they'll think I'm a toy and not real. So that's the homie right there, Alpaca. She's known to spit. Yeah, he heard me. Yeah, I'm talking about you. What up? Uh-oh. I'm gonna lie, even though it scared me, this is my favorite animal here, y'all. The alpaca.
The alpaca. Are you going live again?
Cause he ain't taking nothing. I'm just doing video. Yeah, y'all, this is my favorite one. Even though he's scaring the crap out of me. He about to spit, y'all. I'm about to duck. Okay, I'm out.
The resort was a small park nurturing animals such as birds, turtles, plants, and even a full-grown alpaca. That was Tony's favorite. The resort emulates the essence of Andes. It is surrounded by never-ending mountains, and nature takes over the resort with plants and fruit trees of all sorts. I fell in love with the hibiscus flower and eucalyptus trees. Even Catalea stopped and smelled the flowers. It was such a tranquil environment.
Go, Catalea, go, Catalea, go, Catalea.
Everywhere you turn, there is something fascinating at El Pueblo. I was automatically drawn to the beautiful horses whom seemed to guard the resort.
And I think that's a male horse, I'm not sure. But I know this is a female horse. They're so beautiful. They take them all around the campus or the retreat resort, and they eat the grass, and the grass is very well kept. Yesterday they were there, the day before they were over there, and the other day they were somewhere else. They're just all over. Just like the hawk, they have a little baby hawk that they take all over with them. But these are the horses. And they look pretty friendly. I just won't go touch them though. But they look so pretty. I wish I could go pet them, but nobody else is around, like nobody that, you know, takes care of them, so I don't want to touch them. Say, the horsey! Alright, y'all, the #1 itinerary, traveling in Peru. We love it here. Come check it out at Decameron. How are you? Say, Peru! Me encanta Peru! ¿Cómo se llama?
Él, Aquiles.
Aquiles. Aquiles. Hola, Aquiles. Dice que se están poniendo extintos ellos. Que
Acá sí hay bastante.
acá sí. Acá sí.
Arriba hay 7 salvajes solamente en este lado del cerro.
Oh.
No le pongas atrás, no te vaya a hacer,
Cuidado.
te vaya a hacer cosito.
Ajá, sí. Está bonito.
If you need a break from stress or just want to explore the serene scenery of the Ates district of the eastern Lima, Decameron El Pueblo should be your next destination.
Hey, I got my little one here, trying to get her tired. We're just here relaxing, just having a good time, all with family. Thank you for tuning in.